things happened. Herschel kidnapped Sally. Hillbilly continued to mine well into the night, and Reverend Harper's father arrived in town. Oh, and later that night, this strange orange light brought me out of the town, out of the train station, and back towards Granny's house.
Town fire! Town fire! Ah! Town fire!
Town's flooding! Town's flooding! Wait, Dows falling! The Dows falling!
What's a Dows? Quiet now! Now I don't know what's going on, but what is that orange glow off in the distance? And then we all realized it's a fire. Bucket! Alright, any more excitable, something's burning down. Now here we turn. Hey, quickly! There's nasty stuff now.
Wait, what?
Let's try the handle.
We passed it back. We're passing it back?
Keep on burning down! That's what a handle.
Go to water, I don't understand.
Handle!
Why?
Use the handle!
Alright, keep going. Whose house is it?
I don't know. I think it might be Granny Smith's.
That's me, good Sheriff.
Hey, Hillbilly, where are your pajamas at?
Wearing them.
Well, that's what you always wear.
Tom, don't judge. Pass the bucket.
Well, that night a lot of things happened. Herschel kidnapped Sally. Hillbilly continued to mine well into the night, and Reverend Harper's father arrived in town. Oh, and then later that night, this strange orange light brought me out of the train station and back towards Granny's house.
Town fire! Town fire! Town fire!
Town's flooding! Town's flooding! Town's flooding! Town's falling! The town's falling!
What's a Dow?
Quiet, y'all! Quiet! What's that orange glow in the distance?
Which
It is a fire! Fire! Whose house is it?
I'm not sure. I think it might be Granny Smith's.
That's me, good Sheriff.
Thank you. You like it?
Hillbilly, where are your pajamas at?
Wearing them.
But that's what you always wear.
Tom, don't judge. Pass the bucket.